Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem on basic examples of definite integration. Let us start with problem number 8. Integral 0 to 1 dx upon under root 1 minus x square. Considering this as I, we have 0 to 1 dx upon under root 1 minus x square. Now you can see this function is a standard function. As we have already seen in the chapter integration, integral of 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx is nothing but sine inverse x plus c. Similarly, here the value of I will be sine inverse x within limits 0 to 1. Now let us substitute the upper limit and lower limit, that is 1 and 0, in place of x. This will give you sine inverse of 1 minus sine inverse of 0. Therefore I is equal to, now what is sine inverse 1? It means in the values of sine theta, for sine 90 we have 1. It means sine inverse of 1 is nothing but 90 degree, and 90 degree can be written as pi by 2 radians, minus sine inverse 0. For the values of sine theta, the value of sine theta is 0 only when theta is 0. Similarly, sine inverse 0 will be also 0. Therefore I is equal to pi by 2. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.